Every mammal, including us, we have a peak in learning, peak in performance, how much we can take and how much we can do at any point given one time. Doesn't matter how smart you are or how smart you think you are, you can only take in so much information. And it was like you were saying before, my brain was tired, I slept really well. Trust me, I slept really well last night too. Yeah, but with a dog, they have a short concentration span, especially an untrained dog or a dog that's had little training. They can only take in so much at any point in time. I had a dog trainers tell me years ago, when we talk about peaks in behaviour, we talk about this sort of stuff. You know, it's going to go up and down, around. Like I said yesterday, you're going to get all that. It's going to go up and down, and that's learning, period, regardless if it's you or the dog. But this trainer used to tell me he'll always cut his training as a dog's about to peak. And I'm like, thinking to myself back then, but how do you know he's peaked until you've taken him past that point of peaking? How do you know? Because there's been numerous times in the past where I've been training a dog and he's gone on heaps better than I expected him to. I kept going, kept going, kept going, kept going, but I can always see that drop in behaviour. You know, the energy starts to run out with the physical or mental energy. It will run out. But as soon as I start to see it there, as soon as I see that drop in the ability to be able to take on any new information, or he's physically running out of energy, and that's when I'll stop the session right there. I'll go, nah, we're done, out, finish. You know, I won't always take the dog to there. Like yesterday, things were going really well. I want to leave that picture in his head and put him away. That's what I want to be able to do. I don't, at this point, I wouldn't take that dog to that point. I'm more, you know, settled down around here. It's going really well. End it, put it away. Don't kill it, you know, because people by nature, they're quite greedy, and they are. It's as simple as that. And they'll keep pushing the point until it's, you know, somewhere down here, and you've just lost what you're trying to achieve. Or you may retain a little bit of it, but if you had stopped it, you know, here, you would have done a whole lot better. Your dog would be learning a whole lot faster and you'll achieve a whole lot more.